Welcome to the official video overview for the initial public offer, IPO or offer of Shadowfax Technologies Limited company. We are a new age, technology-led third-party logistics 3PL company and leverage technology to facilitate digital commerce with our service network encompassing 14,758 Indian PIN codes as of September 30th, 2025. We serve a wide category of enterprise clients including horizontal and non-horizontal e-commerce, quick commerce, food marketplace and on-demand mobility companies. Our range of services includes express forward parcel deliveries, reverse pickups and hand-in-hand exchange deliveries, prime deliveries, quick commerce and on-demand hyper-local deliveries, mobility and other services including critical logistics, enabling us to cater to the most diverse and complex needs of our clients. This video is directed at and is intended for distribution to and use by residents of India only. You are viewing this video on the basis that you have confirmed your representation agreement and acknowledgement to the book running lead managers, BRLMs and the company that you are the intended recipient of this video and you are located in India. If you are not permitted to view this video or are in any doubt as to whether you are permitted to view this video, please exit this video. Investors are advised not to rely on any other document, content or information provided in respect to the public issue on the internet or online websites, social media platforms or microblogging platforms by finfluencers. Investors are advised to rely on the red herring prospectus to be filed in relation to the offer and price band advertisement for making any investment decision. Investors are advised to read the updated draft Red Herring Prospectus 1 dated October 31, 2025 UDRHP 1 carefully before taking an investment decision in the offer. Initial public offering of up to equity shares of face value of Rs 10 each, equity shares of Shadowfax Technologies Limited company for cash at a price of Rs per equity share, including a share premium of Rs per equity share, offer price aggregating up to Rs 20,000.00 million, comprising a fresh issue of up to equity shares of face value of Rs 10 each, aggregating up to Rs 10,000.00 million by our company, fresh issue, and an offer for sale of up to equity shares of face value of Rs 10 each, aggregating up to Rs 10,000.00 million by the selling shareholders, offer for sale. The offer and the net offer shall constitute percent and percent of the post-offer paid-up equity share capital of a company respectively. The portion of the offer being up to equity shares of face value of Rs 10 each, aggregating up to Rs million, available for allocation to eligible employees on a proportionate basis. For details, see the offer on page 65 of the UDRHP 1. Our company was originally incorporated as Shadowfax Technologies Private Limited on April 21, 2015. Subsequently, the name of our company was changed to Shadowfax Technologies Limited on April 21, 2025. Disclaimer: the report titled India Third Party Logistics Market dated October 31, 2025, the Red Sea Report, prepared and issued by Red Seer. Red Seer is commissioned and paid for by us as applicable. We are the fastest growing 3PL company of scale in India as of March 31, 2025, expanding our e-commerce shipment market share from approximately 8% in the financial year 2022 to approximately 21% in the 3 months period ended June 30th, 2025. And within the express service line, we are market leaders in reverse pickup shipments in terms of order volume for the financial year 2025 and Q1 FY26. We are also a market leader in 3PL quick commerce or Q-commerce solutions and same-day delivery based on order volume for the financial year 2025 and Q1 FY26. Our platform processed 436.36 million orders during financial year 2025, achieving a compound annual growth rate CAGR of 29.77% from the financial year 2023. During the 6 months period ended September 30th, 2025, we processed 294.45 million orders, which represents a CAGR of 50.11% from the 6 months period ended September 30th, 2024. To facilitate the penetration of digital commerce in India and offer our clients the ideal solutions for their end consumers, we rely on our 1. Nationwide network infrastructure, 2. last-mile intra-city network of gig-based delivery partners, and 3. Proprietary technology platform including a sophisticated supply-demand allocation engine. Our clients include Meesho, Flipkart, Myntra, Swiggy, BigBasket, Zepto, Nykaa, Blinkit, CartRocket, Zomato, Uber, Pincode, Purple, Licious, ONDC, MagicPin amongst others. Our strength: agile and customizable logistics services that enable faster go-to-market for clients. Largest last-mile gig-based delivery partner infrastructure. Extensive nationwide network. Proprietary and agile technology capabilities. Proven business model with focus on profitability while delivering healthy growth. Experienced management team supported by entrepreneurial founders. Details of our KPIs for fiscals 2025, 2024 and 2023 and for the 6 months period ended September 30th, 2025 and September 30th, 2024 is set out below. Shadowfax Technologies Limited's revenues from operations stood at Rs 18,056.44 million with an adjusted EBITDA margin of approximately 2.86% as at 6 months ended September 30th, 2025, and revenues from operations stood at Rs 10,720.69 million with an adjusted EBITDA margin of approximately 2.39% at 6 months ended September 30th, 2024. PAT stood at 210.37 million and 98.36 million at 6 months ended September 30th, 2025 and 2024 respectively. We have 40 registered trademarks as on the date of this updated draft Red Herring Prospectus 1. Furthermore, we have filed 2 trademark applications wordmarks for Shadowfax and Device of Flash by Shadowfax under the provisions of the Trademarks Act 2000 which have been objected to, and 2 trademark applications for Shadowfax Flash Device under the provisions of the Trademarks Act 2000 which have been opposed to. The following is a summary of the top 5 risk factors applicable to our company. 1. We incurred losses aggregating to Rs 118.82 million and Rs 1,426.38 million in the fiscal years 2024 and 2023 respectively, and negative cash flows from operating, investing and financing activities in certain periods. We may continue to experience losses and negative cash flows in the future as we anticipate increased expenses in the future. 2. We significantly rely on a scaled and unified network infrastructure for our business operations, largely comprising 4,299 touchpoints distributed across first and last mile centers and sort centers and supported by more than 3.50 million square feet of operational space and reaching 14,758 pin codes as of September 30th, 2025. Any disruptions to our network may adversely affect our business operations, financial condition and cash flows. 3. We rely on key commercial relationships with our clients. Our largest client contributed 48.91%, 51.23%, 48.00%, 59.23% and 59.52% of our revenue from operations for the 6 months period ended September 30th, 2025 and September 30th, 2024 and the financial years 2025, 2024 and 2023 respectively. The loss of any such key commercial relationships could adversely affect our business. 4. While our total revenue from operations grew from Rs 14,151.24 million in the financial year 2023 to Rs 24,851.31 million in the financial year 2025, our historical growth rates may not reliably forecast future performance, and failure to manage growth or execute strategies effectively could impede our expansion and materially affect our business and future prospects. 5. Any inability to expand and grow our network infrastructure in a balanced manner could adversely affect our future growth, business operations, financial condition, and cash flows. For details of the risks, see risk factors on page 30 of the UDRHP1. Investors are advised to read the risk factors carefully before making an investment decision in the offer. Abhishek Bansal and Vaibhav Khandelwal are the promoters of our company. For further details, see capital structure, shareholding of our promoters and promoter group, build-up of the equity shareholding of our promoters in our company on page 81 of the UDRHP1. 80.87% of the company is held by the public shareholders on fully diluted basis. The aggregate pre-offer and post-offer shareholding of our promoters, the members of a promoter group and the selling shareholders as on the date of this updated draft Red Herring Prospectus 1 is set out below. As on date of this UDRHP1, our promoters hold 8,58,85,929 equity shares and 21,358 CCPS, both at face value of Rs 10 each, representing 19.13% of the paid-up equity share capital of a company calculated on a fully diluted basis. As on the date of the updated draft Red Herring Prospectus 1, our board comprises 8 directors. For details of our board of directors, see our management on page 213. A summary of outstanding litigation proceedings in terms of the SEBI ICDR regulations and the materiality policy as on the date of the updated draft Red Herring Prospectus 1 is provided below. As on the date of the updated draft Red Herring Prospectus 1, there are no pending litigations involving our group companies which may have a material impact on our company. For further details, see Outstanding Litigation and Material Developments on page 329. The details of the proceeds of the fresh issue are summarized in the table below. For further details, see Objects of the Offer on page 111. IPO will be conducted through book building with allotment of not less than 75% of the net offer to QIBs, not more than 15% to non-institutional bidders, and not more than 10% to retail individual bidders. The equity shares will be listed on BSE and NSE, and the book running lead managers are ICICI Securities Limited, Morgan Stanley India Company Private Limited, and JM Financial Limited. Investments in equity and equity-related securities involve a degree of risk, and investors should not invest any funds in the offer unless they can afford to take the risk of losing their entire investment. Please read the UDRHP1 dated October 31, 2025. Investors are advised to rely on the Red Herring Prospectus to be filed in relation to the offer and price band advertisement for making any investment decision. The book running lead managers associated with the offer have handled 103 public issues during current financial year and preceding 2 financial years, out of which 27 issues closed below the issue price on listing date. Please see page 351 of the UDRHP1 for price information of past issues handled by the book running lead managers. Please do not rely on any other document or information for making your investment decision. For risk factors, please refer to page 30 of the UDRHP1. For financial information, please refer to page 233 of the UDRHP1. For basis for offer price, please refer to page 127 of the UDRHP1. For outstanding litigation and material developments, please refer to page 329 of the UDRHP1. Neither the company nor the promoters and selling shareholders are seeking an investment from you based on this video. This is a video for information purposes only and is not a promotional video and does not constitute an invitation or offer to acquire, purchase or subscribe to the equity shares of the company. Potential investors should not rely on the UDRHP1 filed with SEBI and the stock exchanges and wait for the Red Herring Prospectus to be filed in relation to the offer for making any investment decision.